Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nubia Neo 5G to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up by hitting the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nubia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Then go back to Nubia and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. In some of those categories like contacts, you need to hit allow a couple of times to access your files. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Download afterward Add. To scan this QR code though, click on this little icon above User Guide, close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!